Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are ready to capture all your on-road adventures.
In the left corner, we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and in the right corner, we have the REDTIGER dash cam.
Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk about video quality, because after all, that's the main reason we invest in a dash cam.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front offers us a super high resolution of 1080p at 30 FPS. With its 3-inch super large IPS display, you'll be able to see every detail as clear as possible when playing back your recordings. Impressive, right?
Now moving on to the REDTIGER dash cam, it takes things up a notch with its 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. That's Ultra HD, folks.
Plus, it has a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 140 degrees, ensuring that you capture every important detail on the road. So if you're all about that high-definition life, the REDTIGER dash cam might be the one for you.
But hey, don't count out the BOOGIIO dash cam front just yet. It still packs a punch in the video quality department.
Now let's shed some light on night vision.
We all know how important it is to have clear footage, even in low light conditions. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes equipped with f1.8 large aperture, WDR, and HDR technology, ensuring that your night shots are brighter and crystal clear. No need for an auxiliary light source with this one. On the other hand, the REDTIGER dash cam takes night vision to the next level. With its excellent optical lens and ultra-large f1.5 aperture, it captures important details even under low light conditions. So if you often find yourself driving at night, the REDTIGER dash cam has got your back.
It's a tough call, folks. Both dash cams excel in night vision capabilities, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs.
Alright, let's move on to the additional features that these dash cams bring to the table.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front offers a range of functionalities, including a G sensor that saves video evidence of collisions, loop recording for continuous recording, and even motion detection that automatically starts recording when it detects movement.
Talk about being prepared for anything.
Now the REDTIGER dash cam doesn't hold back either.
It comes with Wi-Fi and a smart app control feature, allowing you to view, playback, and manage your dash cam directly from your smartphone.
Plus, it has a built-in GPS to track your driving route, real-time speed, and location.
How cool is that?
In terms of additional features, both dash cams bring their A-game.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front focuses more on safety features, while the REDTIGER dash cam adds convenience to the mix.
Both the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the REDTIGER dash cam have their unique strengths and features. The BOOGIIO dash cam front offers fantastic video quality and powerful safety features, while the REDTIGER dash cam takes it up a notch with its 4K plus 1080p dual recording and smart app control. Thanks for watching, Smart Shoppers. If you have any questions or suggestions for future comparisons, leave them in the comments below.
Stay tuned for more great content from Buy Smart. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.